Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm about to do a rewiring inside one of the property. The owner of the property has been asking me for a while, and because of the workload, it's Sunday today and I've decided that I'll do it today. So I'll show you what we're doing today. This is the consumer unit which I'll be swapping over on the second fix. This is a quite old one. And also I need to tidy some wires here as well, and some wires here on the top as well. So this meter is actually hanging off, so I'm going to have to speak to the owner to speak to SP Energy and get that back on the wall, because there's no board in the back or nothing. So that's another issue. So what we'll do is we'll take the existing ring which is in the kitchen, and it's part of the downstairs ring. And this is the living room and the dining, and here on this wall, this is where the door used to be for the kitchen. Now they've made the access through this wall here. So this is where the kitchen is, and what they're planning to do is that door here is going to get bricked up, and that's where the washing machine is going to go. So I've got to leave a feed here for the washing machine. And these are the old the sockets, which is the ring is part of the downstairs ring, which I'll be taking out, and I'll put a new ring for the kitchen alone. And also the cooker. This is the feed for the cooker, which is on the floor at the minute. So I'll be taking that out, replace it with a new cable from the consumer unit, and I'll be putting it somewhere here because this is where the cooker's going, and I'll put a cooker outlet behind here. On top I'll leave a feed for the extractor, the canopy, and also there's a boiler here. I'll leave a feed for that as well. There's going to be a few sockets here on that wall along. There's going to be one there, and so this used to be the old doorway for the kitchen, so which has been blocked off, and he wants to put a fridge freezer there, so we have to put another socket somewhere there. This is the light switch for the kitchen, so we're going to be taking this out and then take around, and we already made a hole through there, which is a light switch for this living room. And what I've done is I've actually come through here and fit the wire, and then put a double switch here, so one will control this room and one will control the kitchen. Also, to get the wire through, we've had to lift some floorboards and take some skirting boards out as well. So this is the old cooker cable here, and this is the 2.5mm cable for the sockets. So I'm gonna I'll be fitting a new wire through the floorboard, which I've just lifted up, and this part here. So, and then feed it in through there. So in terms of other electrical work, there isn't much here. So this is where there's a two switch. One is for this landing and one is for the toilet, and they were quite deep inside. It was literally covered with the plaster, so we had to take them out, bring them out a bit so that it sticks out. It's on top of the plaster. And there's my little helper. He's actually doing some work for a change. And also here we had to take this black box out and break into the wall so that it sits in nice and flush, because it was sticking out before. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get cracking, start pulling some wires through, get my laser out and start putting some black boxes. So I'll keep you guys updated. Thank you. Hello guys, just an update video on the kitchen ring. I came here yesterday, which was a Sunday, so actually to come back today, I managed to complete the ring for the kitchen. So while I was doing it, I've actually come across the whole kitchen. It wasn't a ring before. There was actually spared off the ring downstairs, which is in this ground floor ring. And I've actually found, or just under this floor here, there was a junction box under this floorboard, and from here it actually fed the kitchen, and there's about a few sockets, so it was actually spared off. But what I've done is I've actually run a new ring and also a new cooker feed as well. So what we have here, we've got a few sockets, one there, and that actually feeds to the cooker, the extractor on top, and also there's a boiler here, so I've left the feed for the boiler. And just here on this corner there's a door which will be blocked off. I think the brick is coming tomorrow, so I had to leave the wiring one leg on that side and one leg over there. So once they've bricked it up, I'll come round and I'll fix that. And so what we have there is we've got the cooker outlet for the cooker, and also a socket for the cooker socket, which will feed this cooker outlet over there, and a double socket, and there's another double socket here as well, and there's going to be a socket here. This used to be a doorway which is blocked off, and they've done a new opening here. So once they've boarded that up, put a plasterboard, hopefully they'll fit this through for me, and then I'll put the back box, and that'll be a second fix. And on this wall here, there used to be a switch as you came in. There was a switch on that wall, so we've actually took that switch cable out and fed it through here into this living room. So it's going to be a double switch instead of a single. One will fit the living room, one will fit the kitchen. And in terms of kitchen light, I think the landlord is going to decide tomorrow what he wants to do. But what I've realized is that there is no bonding, so the water, they've not air bonded the water and also the gas. So I'll show you, this is the gas meter next to the electric meter, and there's no bonding here. So I had to go out today and get some earth cable and also to strap as well. So I'll be doing this probably later on today. And as I say, this is the consumer unit. I'll be changing that over soon. But what we've realized is that the downstairs electric is in very bad condition, the ring. So the owner has decided that he wants it rewired. So tomorrow I'll be lifting the floorboards, and hopefully I'll get all this done. But the thing is that he's asked me if I could save his skating boards. It's quite big, very old style skating boards. So I'm just going to try and break it here and try and drill down and see if I can get it that way. So guys, thank you for watching. I'll do a further video while I'm doing the hollow downstairs ring. And thank you for watching. Thank you guys.